That's what the connector that I talk about it.
See, it's from Romania, Poland, and Germany. Surface is good, right?
Yeah, I like the color. Okay, I very like it. Yeah, it looks like good. The next time I think we make it with the bilge. You know what are we talking about? If you come to room, the mother said, I want its right side. Yeah, it's very... מדביק את כל הפלטות.
ABCD grid together.
Okay. It's same, okay? Like mine. Maybe change the materials or something, but I like this room. I very like this room. Close it and then yeah. I have a lot of work with these materials. The hand green, 300 meters in 1 month. This is my favorite wood. This is not birch. It's photos. אני רוצה. Hello, my name is Elad, and I want to say thank you for John, for Roger, for Amy, for Heavy. They was with me in all the vacation and the business trip. It was great. They took me to travel around Dalian and show me a lot of special place. It was amazing. They took me to the factory that they made over there, and everything was great. Really, everything was great. They was with me from the morning to the night. All what I need, I tell him, and they do everything to make it true. So I want to say thank you for everything. I talk with them, and I make with them business like 1 year, and all time that I talk with them, I need something, help me, or nothing, or anything like that, they was there. So thank you very, very much, and I hope we make a lot of business together. Thank you.